Hello everyone. So today this is a very quick video and I'm just gonna tell you the major benefits of amethyst crystal, how it can be used and in what ways you can use it, like as a pendant or as a bracelet or as tumble stones, and how it is most beneficial for you. Okay, so the very first way I'm gonna talk about is tumble stones. Tumble stones look like this. So these are the little tumbled crystal amethyst stones, and this is how the bracelet would look like if you want to wear a bracelet in amethyst. And then we do also have the amethyst malas if someone wants to meditate very deeply on a very higher level. And also what I prefer is either the amethyst what you call the amethyst bracelet or the amethyst tumble stones. The best way is to use the amethyst tumble stones. And now I'm gonna jump into the major benefits of it. So the very first benefit, it alleviates all your stress, tension, all the negativity from the body. Especially for students, it is mainly used for concentration, and it increases their memory power, it increases their concentration levels, and it helps them to understand the concept deeply. So that is the major benefit for amethyst crystal. Now in terms of your physical health, how is amethyst helpful? Amethyst alleviates all the stress, depression, migraine issues, any slight headaches to the severe headaches. Amethyst can do it all. You can get rid of everything. You simply have to rub these tumbled stones in your hands, but only if these have been energized by a practitioner, like a Reiki practitioner, an energy practitioner, or if you know how to energize it, if you know how to put your manifestations, put your affirmations in, then you can do it by yourself as well. Another thing, you can also use these tumble stones in water. Now I always mention in all my videos, water is the best way to manifest anything in the world, because it takes up all the vibrations and it goes directly in your body. So you can see all these tumble stones in this bottle of water. I am sorry about the whole noise outside because it's going to rain, I guess. So if you heard anything in the background, I apologize. So yeah, we were on water. So you can see all these tumble stones in this bottle. So this is the best way to manifest. If you put these tumble stones, right now it has citrine in them, and you can put amethyst, you can put any other crystals, you can put any kind of tumble stones in the water. And when you manifest, when you affirmate these crystals with your affirmations, like suppose you want good luck in your life, you want wealth in your life, or you need a certain job, or you need to choose a certain career in your life, you can put it all in here in these crystals, or you can tell your practitioner to do the same. And if you put it in this bottle and you drink the water, it goes directly in your body, it energizes your soul, it goes directly in the soul, because our body is 70% of water. So that's the best way to manifest anything, if you use these tumble stones in water. Now if you feel stressed out a lot because of your job, because of this tiring schedule, this tiring work schedule, so again this is the best crystal for you. And I think, yeah, those are the benefits. Also it how it does all that. Now let's come to a little bit of science here. It all does it by regulating your hormones. It regulates all your endocrine hormones, which includes all the hormones related to your pituitary gland, your thyroid gland, because eventually all these things are all related to the hormones, right? There's a stress hormone, the adrenaline hormone. So if you put the affirmations, amethyst is directly related to all your hormones. It's going to regulate your hormones, and eventually it will relieve you from all the stress, all the tension, all the worries of your life, and it will lead you in the correct path. Sometimes what happens is we are not able to choose the right path in our life. So this is what's gonna help all those people who are still wondering, what am I supposed to do with my life? This is for all you guys out there. So do not miss out on amethyst. Amethyst is one major crystal. Also, it is known as the master healer. Any kind of problems can be healed with this master healer. So I told you all the uses. If you want to use it in water, that's the best way to do it. Or if you want to use it as a bracelet, I do not intentionally tell people to use it as a bracelet, because people, like normal people, if they are not practitioners of energy, they do not know how to cleanse it. They forget to cleanse it. They're like, okay, I'm wearing it and then just let it be, whatever happens happens. No, it is very important to cleanse your crystals, so otherwise it's gonna take up all the negative energies. So remember, if you're taking a bracelet, you cleanse it properly with all the proper instructions that I have told in my other videos. And even for these tumble stones, again, the same cleansing process needs to be followed every 3rd day, every 7th day, or every 15th day, depending upon your condition. Okay, so that was the video for today. I hope you liked it, and do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Till then, take care. Bye bye.